Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back to your computer class. In previous class, we have learned what is operating system, need for an operating system, functions of an operating system, and some of the features of an operating system. In today's class, we are going to see what is type of an operating system. What are the types of operating system? Operating system are of many different types. A few which are mentioned in this slide we are going to see about. Single user and multi-user. A single user operating system allows only one user to work with computer at a time. On other hand, a multi-user operating system allows multiple users to work on the same computer at the different times or simultaneously. DOS is an example of single user operating system. DOS means DOS operating system, while Unix is that of multiple user operating system. Multi-user is as same as multitasking operating system. After that, what is real-time operating system? A real-time operating system is a computing environment that reacts to an input within a specific period of time. It is used in robots in complex animation and in computer control automated machine, that is called real-time operating system. The example of real-time operating system is Windows CE. After that, distributed operating system. What is distributed operating system? A distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are interconnected by network. It combines the different computers in the network in a single integrated computer in such a way that the user thinks that they are working on a single computer. The example of distributed operating systems are Linux and Windows 2003. Okay. After that, interactive and batch operating system. What is interactive and batch operating system? Interactive and batch operating system allows the user or other program to perform input output at any time during processing. These interactions may take place through a graphical user interface, that is GUI, or a character user interface, that is CUI. On the other hand, a batch operating system does not allow input output. In Windows is an interactive operating system, that is MVS is a batch processing operating system. Some of the example of operating systems are some of the popular operating systems are Unix, Linux, Windows, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Macintosh. It is also called as Mac operating system. Some of the popular operating system for mobile phones and the other mobile devices are Android, iOS, which is used in Apple mobile phones, Windows Mobile and BlackBerry OS. Now we will see about user interface. A user interface refers to the hardware and software mechanism by which a user and a computer interact with each other. User interface is the visual part of the operating system. It is through UI that a user gives a command or instructions to the computer and receives message from the computer, that is called as output. If operating system does not offer any UI, the user cannot interact with the computer. This will render the computer useless for the user. There are two types of user interface. First is a graphical user interface and second one is a character user interface. So firstly we are going to see about graphical user interface. Here are some characteristics of graphical user interface. What is graphical user interface? Windows GUI. Windows GUI is the most common operating system used nowadays. It is a GUI based operating system. Windows 7 opens all documents and applications in individual rectangular boxes called windows, such as address bar, frame, icons, menus, toolbar, scroll bar, status bar, minimize, maximize, restore, down and close down button. So what are the characteristics? Windows. What is the use of windows? Multiple windows allow different information to be displayed simultaneously on the user's screen. Icons. There are some icons when you are going to on your computer, so you can easily access by clicking on the icon. Menus. Commands are selected from a menu rather than typed in a command language. Pointing. A pointing device such as mouse is used for selecting choice from a menu or indicating items of interest in a windows. So whenever you are going to pointing the menu from your mouse, that is called pointing. Graphics. Graphical elements can be mixed with text on the same display. There are some advantages of using GUI. So what are the advantages of GUI? It is easy to learn and use. It is user friendly and easier to use than a CUI. We can work on more than one software in GUI, which is generally not possible in CUI. This interface uses graphics and images with the multimedia support. The user may switch quickly from one task to another and can interact with several different applications. Okay, so it is fast. Full screen interaction is possible with immediate access to anywhere on any screen. Users can interact with the computer through the clicks of the mouse, and there is no need to type the commands as in CUI. So we have learned about graphical user interface. So what is graphical user interface? A user interface that uses graphical components for interaction, that is called graphical user interface. Now kids, we are going to see about character user interface. In this type of interface, a keyboard is used for the user input and a monitor for the computer output. When this user interface is started, a blank screen appears with a line for the user to type the commands. There are no images or graphics on the screen. CUI normally does not support pointing devices like a mouse. MS-DOS and Windows command prompt are example of CUI. There is a difference between GUI and CUI. You can see here, GUI symbols, pictures and pointing commands are used to execute commands. In CUI, set of characters and words are used to execute the commands. In GUI, no need to remember the command. A small practice enables you to use the commands. In CUI, the syntax and various options are required to be remembered. In GUI, general menu, structure and commands are used for all the application. Whether in CUI, different applications have their own set of commands. In GUI, number of applications can be opened and execute in different windows at the same time. In CUI, only one application can run at a time. In GUI, minimum use of keyboard is there. In CUI, maximum use of keyboard. In GUI, mouse extensively used for pointing on icons, etc. In CUI, mouse used only in some application. In GUI, it is very easy to operate, whether in CUI, not user friendly, hence difficult to operate. I hope you understood. Thank you.